For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
China once again denounced the US for misusing its power over the new Huawei sanctions. This development came after US Commerce Department banned 38 new Huawei companies from buying American computer chips. Tensions are already high between the two strong powers. Washington has even asserted that Chinese firms are used to spy for Beijing.
There was no evidence that Huawei products contained security loopholes or backdoors. The sanctions have completely punctured the last pretense of market principles and fair competition that the US has always touted.
The Chinese Foreign Ministry further accused Washington of exploiting its national power.
Washington has engaged in abuse of national power to apply all sorts of restrictions on Huawei and other Chinese enterprises. The more it proves their success and the hypocrisy and arrogance of the United States.
Even Huawei Consumer Unit President Richard Yu stated the company unit will have to stop producing its advanced phones.
This week's sanctions extend those controls to Asian and European components if their manufacturing process uses US technology. It would have to stop producing its most advanced phones, the Kirin range, next month.
On the other hand, US officials retorted that Huawei poses a security risk because of its strong connection to the Beijing government.
Huawei and its affiliates have worked through third parties to harness US technology in a manner that undermines US national security and foreign policy interests.
On the other hand, the US Semiconductor Industry Association has warned the government that restrictions on the chip sales might bring disruption in the industry. These broad restrictions on commercial chip sales will bring significant disruption to the US semiconductor industry. Huawei spends tens of billions of dollars a year on components, a significant chunk of which goes to US companies. The Donald Trump administration has suspended Huawei from 5G wireless networks in the country. Huawei is believed to be one of the largest telecommunication equipment manufacturer in the world. Chinese foreign spokesperson Zhao Lijian urged Trump administration to correct its mistakes. Meanwhile, Donald Trump has also decided to ban TikTok and Chinese messaging app WeChat.